Hello, my name is Josh Bohrn. I'm a product support specialist for Epiroc here in the underground division. Today I'm going to show you how to use the RCS-controlled water cannon. Now that we're in the cab, we're going to see how we work the water cannon through the RCS. Panel needs to be on. We're going to select the water cannon button. Once those two have been selected, this left side cannon will be controlled by the left joystick. If the option is set up for a right cannon, the right joystick would control that cannon. So to control the water cannon, move the joystick to the left to go left, move it to the right to go right, pull towards you to go up, push away from you to go down. For water on and off, the valve is located in the air and water service bay door. Turn the toggle in either up or down position will activate the water valve, and you can move the water cannon in any direction to spray water for cleaning the boom between holes. Thank you for watching today. For more information on this, please contact your local dealer or service center for more information. Thank you.